Hey y'all, good morning and happy Monday. So, today I am going to be teaching you guys how you can make money online without doing any work at all. Okay, when I say no work, I mean no work. And this is probably the laziest way that I know of how you can literally make money without doing anything. Okay, because as a mom, a busy mom, single mom that works a 9 to 5 and is very involved in my child's life as far as school, as far as doing things with him on the weekends. Like, I'm very involved, very hands on. And when I found this way of doing drop shipping, I was like, oh, this is a game changer, because don't get me wrong, I don't mind working hard, but it's like if there is something out there that won't feel like a second job and I can make really good money from it, then I'm all for it. And so, yeah, I've been doing drop shipping now for a couple of years now, but the way that I'm doing it yet now, I've only been doing it about 3 years. Now, my first 2 years, they were successful. However, I made a lot of mistakes and pretty much had to start completely over. And that's what I did this year. I started over in August, and so far I've made a little over 3,500. Now, mind you, this is with me not doing any work whatsoever. So yeah, basically, for those of you who don't know what dropshipping is where you are selling products online that you do not physically own, that you do not physically have. You don't have to keep any inventory on you. You don't have to ship out any products whatsoever. Everything is based online. So basically, how it works is you're going to create a store and you're going to list products on that store. So let's just say, for instance, we're listing a toy on our store. So what we're going to do is we're going to put that toy on our store, and let's just say on eBay, I'm sorry, not eBay. Let's just say on Amazon, the toy is $20. So we're going to list that toy on our store for $27. And once somebody come to our store and buy that product, we're going to purchase the product from Amazon because Amazon is going to be our supplier. We're going to purchase it from Amazon, and Amazon is going to ship the product out to the customer. Once the customer receives the item, we will get paid for that item, and we will be able to profit $7 from that item because we sold the product for $27 when really we only paid $20 for that product. So I hope that makes sense. And the platform that we're going to be using to sell our products on is eBay. Now, if you think about it, the people that you're buying from every day on Amazon, they are literally doing the same exact thing. They are sourcing their products from places like Walmart, Home Depot, and some are even sourcing from China. They're putting their products on Amazon and selling them at a higher price. Honestly, that's what all retailers do. Retailers source their products from overseas, they put them in their store, and they sell them at a higher price. So if everybody else is doing it, why can't you do it? So that's how dropshipping works. And we're going to be using eBay as our platform to list our products on. Now, the reason why we're choosing eBay is because eBay has low selling fees. And just like Amazon, people shop on eBay just as much. And what I love about it is that this is free traffic, So we don't have to pay for ads. We don't have to pay for anything outside of eBay's fees because eBay has their own traffic. People are already coming on eBay to shop, you know? So once they see your product listed on there, they're ready to buy. Just like Amazon, people go on Amazon ready to buy. It's just a matter of listing the right products and knowing what people are actually looking for. And that's where your virtual assistant comes in. So basically what I do is I drop ship products online and I hire a virtual assistant who knows what's selling, who knows what's trending, who knows what price to list the products at. Because one thing about it is, even though we're selling even though we're selling our products at a higher price, you want to make sure that your price is not too high, because you do have those shoppers where they're going to compare prices. So you want to make sure that your prices are aligned with, everyone else's. You don't want to overprice your products. But again, that's where your virtual assistant comes in at. They're literally going to be doing all the work for you. The only thing that you have to do is just make sure that they're actually listing the products, make sure that they're actually handling the customer service, make sure that their customer service is good, and just make sure that, you're actually making a good profit in your business. So that's what I do. And so far, it's been going so good. And honestly, when you have a store on eBay, you can create multiple stores. You're not just, you don't have to just have, sorry, y'all, my phone is about to go dead. That's one thing that I love about eBay. You can have multiple stores. So once the first store starts taking off, you can create another store. Once that store starts taking off, you can create another store. That's what you call having multiple streams of income, okay? So I'm going to give you guys 3 simple steps that you can take today to get started. Now, I'm only giving you 3 steps because I don't want to overload you with too much information, because starting something new can be a lot, So I do want to make this as simple as possible. Now, you will see me kind of looking in different, areas because I am working, but I decided to go ahead and just drop this video for you guys. So the very first thing that you want to do is create an account on eBay. Once you create your account on eBay, you then want to create your store. Now, if you guys would like for me to create another video showing you step by step on how to create your accounts and get everything set up, then I can do that for you. Just, put in the comments, hey Jazz, can you show us another video of everything step by step? And I will be more than happy to create a video to show you guys step by step. So the second thing that you want to do, and most of you have this step already completed, but for those of you who don't, the second step is to create an account on Amazon.com. Now, what you want to do is create a Prime account so that your customers can get their products on time, not even on time, but in a decent, time frame, because people love when they're able to get their products the same day, the next day, or even 3 days, People don't want to wait for a long time, basically. Like, now that Amazon is in the picture, like, people just don't want to wait. They rather not. And I get it. So that's the second thing that you want to do. The third thing that you want to do is create an account on Upwork.com. And that's spelled UPWORK.com. Now, Upwork is the platform that we're going to be using to hire our virtual assistant. Our virtual assistant is what's going to make or break your business. And I hate to say it that way, but it's the truth, because they are the ones that are, I would say, 99% in control. They're the ones that's going to be listing the products. They're the ones that's supposed to know, what's trending, what's selling, how to sell. these products, what price to sell these products at. So you want to make sure you hire a really good virtual assistant, because they are the ones that's going to make or break your business. So those are the 3 steps that I want you guys to take today, because the sooner you get started, the sooner you can start making money. It's about to be the holidays, you know, so imagine what an additional $1,000 can do, you know, for you and your family. Or we'll just say $300, you know, imagine what that can do for your family. I never want to be that mom to not be able to get the things that I want for my son for Christmas, or the things that he wants for Christmas. So I've always tried to find ways where, you know, I could make extra money, because that extra money goes a long way. So make sure you guys get started with these 3 easy steps. I mean, this will probably take you no less than, I'll just say 20 minutes. It probably won't even take that, especially if you already have an Amazon account. So make sure you guys do these 3 steps, because in the next video, I'm going to give you another 3 steps on what to do after you've completed this. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to drop them in the comments. Be sure to like this video and be sure to subscribe for more videos, and turn that notification button on so that you are notified of when I post the next video of the next steps that you need to take so that you can start making this easy money online. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day, guys.